What's up guys, Story Penguin here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a custom playlist for your viewers. So let's get started. So basically, first of all, you guys want to go to youtube.com. You also can use this on, or do this on your phone. So just go to YouTube, and then you guys want to go down to whatever video. So I'm going to go to my tutorials. So I'm just going to pick one off of here. So I'm gonna pick one of my videos, hit save to playlist, and then you want to hit create new playlist if you don't already have playlist, and then name it like, I don't know, if you have a gaming channel, name it gaming. So I'm gonna have a new gaming, I guess we'll go gaming. And then you want to hit public, and then you want to hit create. Sorry guys about the background noise. But then you want to hit gaming, and then all your viewers will be able to see this. And also the description you want to do is gaming. I'm just gonna put random clips. Okay, so then all your viewers will be able to see this playlist. And so you can add more by just going over to your videos. So if you go to your channel, you can add all your videos. So yeah. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.